Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be watching and listening to a song from this Malayalam film Balti. I have not watched it, and let's wait for the OTT release. And this song is called Jalakari and sung composed by Sai Abhyankar. Hot favorite right now, huh? Sai is killing it. So the movie stars Shane Nigam, and the lyrics are written by Vinayak Sasikumar. So yeah, let's not delay this and let's watch this song right away.
Trophy.
What's this movie about? If you have watched it. I've heard it was a good film. Like a decent movie. Okay, is this the first Malayalam song that Sai has sung? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, Jalakari, Enchantress. Okay. Oh, I like this lead girl. And Shane is a very good dancer. Is she a new actress? I've not seen her anywhere, I don't recall. Oh, I love these lines. Whoa, whoa. Wow. Is that Sai Smriti? I didn't check the credits. I really like this beat drum. very beautiful song, and expected from Sai. Sai is so good at writing romantic songs, like composing, writing. Of course, here the lyrics are by Vinayak, but generally, I'm saying he's just like his independent songs. He's just absolutely genius in doing that. Okay. Oh no, the female singer is Subhashini. Okay, yes. She also has a beautiful voice. Actually, because Sai Smriti also has like a, she sings in a lower register, so I thought, oh, maybe it's her. And because her part was like very small, so I thought maybe he got his sister to sing. But anyway, once again, Sai Abhyankar composition did not fail to impress me. I love all of the songs that Sai has till date composed and put out for us to listen to. And I just personally feel that he's extremely talented, and he has such a gift of specifically curating amazing romantic numbers and in different variants and emotions. It can be like a sad romantic, like this is very upbeat and very, you feel so happy and you feel warmth inside your heart when you listen to this kind of the composition. Then you have some, if you listen to his independent songs and independent releases, like Vidi Vekura, the latest one, it has a little sadder undertone, but such a beautiful melody. So I think when it comes to churning out really solid melodies, I think Sai knows what he's doing, and he's so good at it. And plus, when it comes to his vocal range, I love his voice. I love his voice in these romantic numbers. But I have always loved Sai more as a composer than a singer. I think his singing voice is absolutely magical. In fact, the Aurum Blood song, I absolutely love his, reprise version, basically. Love the original one also. It's very uniquely composed. But in terms of singing, I love the reprise version because the emotions really come out there. So I think he's got a really nice capability of expressing the emotions whenever it comes to a romantic number. Here also, Shane, like picturization wise also, Shane did justice to the song, because you can really feel that, oh my god, he's like head over heels for this girl, and even she loves him. So overall, the song was beautiful. I love myself a good romantic number no matter what. So yes, if you watched this film, please let me know how this movie was, because I think I read that this movie, it was pretty good. Like, it did fairly well, and it was like well received basically by the audience. So please do let me know what were your thoughts if you have watched this film. But clearly the song is very beautiful. I really like the song. So yeah, that was the reaction to Jalakari. Oh, can I just say, Sai, one speciality of Sai's compositions are that I think I've said this in a previous video also of his reaction, that he is so good at churning out hooks in a song. Like, you will definitely remember the hook of the song even if you don't remember the composition of the entire song, but by the end of listening to the song, even after the first listen, you will definitely remember the hook. So he's so good at creating hooks within a song. That is one specialty, and even for this song it fares really well. So yeah, that was my reaction to Jalakari, Enchantress. Beautiful lyrics also. Shout out to Vinayak, because I really personally feel that whichever songs of his lyrics I have reacted to, I have really loved it. And now whenever I see that a song is kind of written by Vinayak Sasikumar, I personally pay more attention in a way, because for me he came into notice with Avesham songs, specifically Illuminati. I consciously searched who was the lyricist, and after that, whenever I see that, oh, he is the lyricist in any of the songs that I'm reacting to, I kind of sit up and take a notice, and I realize that he's so good at writing such beautiful lyrics, and has such a range, in fact. So yeah, really one of the best lyricists that I have come across in my reactions and the discovery of finding new artists, new lyricists, new compositions, new songs basically. So yes, let me know what are your thoughts in the comments, and that was my reaction, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.